The journey we are about to go on is a lonely one. It's a hard one. It's a journey we are not supposed to finish. It's one where the odds are against us and the system is rigged. It's a journey we must take. The cost of not getting there is too high. Getting there will be the most rewarding experience of your life. The journey to our freedom, a journey to a life you deserve, a life we all deserve, will not be an easy one, but together we can get there. Freedom to live life, living a life on our terms. We are the most intelligent being on earth. We are resourceful, strong, ambitious, courageous, determined, and persistent. We were not meant to live an average life. There is one thing in life that controls everything we do. Some believe it is evil. Some believe it is what life is all about. And that's money. Whatever you think about money is up to you. The reality is having money means having power. Having money will give us power to live life on our terms. We need to change the way we see money. Money is a tool that can be used for good or evil. It can destroy a home, but without money we can't build a home. Money creates freedom. If money gives us freedom to live a happy life, a life without struggle, a life without worries, it's time to see money as the key to our freedom. The system that we currently have makes me think of the Hunger Games.
Happy Hunger Games, and may the odds be ever in your favor.
The system tells us we should, but the system is forever against us. Banks around the world keep printing money, decreasing the value of our money that we worked hard to earn. All advances in technology gets used as a method to target us. Algorithms track every move we make, influencing every decision we make, predicting our next moves and leading us to choices we would have never made. A system is set up to keep us under its thumb. They sell freedom but give us something different. The odds are forever against us, and it's important that we realize this and that we act accordingly. No longer can we sit back and just take all the information that we have to heart. We need to make our own decisions, build our own futures, look after our own freedom. Yes, we have been victims, but it's time to stand up. It's time to fight back, and it's time to take back control. It's time to start using their strengths against them. The price of not doing so is simply too high. Taking control starts with admitting our faults, learning from our mistakes, and never making them again. Taking back control of our finances, earning more money and ensuring money will never be a problem again is a long one. But one I will be walking with you. One that I am determined to complete. Are you with me? The first step we need to take is automate. Automate your investments, automate your earnings, and automate your income. Start today. Technology makes automation possible. Use their strength against them. Make no mistake, this is a battle. A battle if we hesitate, we will lose. The time to start is now. Start paying yourself first. Start today. Set up an automated instruction to invest your hard-earned money first. You get paid before them. You control this. This is step 1. They will fight us. They will tell us not to, but we are done allowing them to influence us. The road to glory is a long one. Do this, and we will be on our way. How good does it feel to know we have started on a journey that could alter our futures forever? Subscribe to my channel and let's start this journey together. I need you. I need you with me on this journey. Can I count on you? Keep your eyes out for step 2.